how to upload photos to Google Drive and share the link. If you want to upload photos to Google Drive and share the link at the same time, simply open up your browser. Now you could use the Google Drive app or you can go to drive.google.com. Once done, on the top left, go to the new option, select File Upload. Now, simply choose a photo or anything else that you'd like to upload to it. So let me just go ahead and then choose a certain photo. Once I've done that, you can see at the bottom right that the upload process has begun. Now I can simply go ahead and then simply open up this particular file. Here you can see the file name. Here I can just hit the three dots next to it. And here you can see a couple of options. Go to share and go to copy link. Now basically, whenever someone else has views this with the particular link, they'll be able to access that certain file. But you want to make sure that you have allowed the access to everybody. So you want to tap on the share option. By default, it will be set to only you. But you want to go to this restricted tab, change it to anyone with the link, and then just hit the save button. And now you can copy the new link. I hope the video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.